Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen and doing a mountain of dishes just to stay on your low-carb diet? What if I told you that you could melt fat, boost your metabolism, and eat delicious food using just one pan? Today, I'm revealing 15 insanely easy, mouth-watering low-carb meals that will change your life. Let's dive in. First up, we have sheet pan sausage and veggies. This is the ultimate lazy dinner. Just toss Italian sausage, broccoli, bell peppers, and onions on a pan with some olive oil and Italian seasoning. Let the oven do the work at 400 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. It's packed with flavor and naturally low in carbs. Next is the one skillet creamy Tuscan chicken. Feel like you're eating at a 5-star Italian restaurant without the carb coma. This rich, decadent creamy sauce is made with heavy cream, Parmesan cheese, sun-dried tomatoes, and spinach. Just brown the chicken, make the sauce in the same skillet, and combine. It's that easy. Craving Chinese takeout? Skip the delivery fee and the hidden sugars with our beef and broccoli stir-fry. This low-carb version is faster than takeout and tastes incredible. Just stir-fry some flank steak and broccoli, then toss it in a quick homemade sauce of soy sauce, garlic, and ginger. Serve it over cauliflower rice for a complete meal. For a light and healthy option, try the sheet pan lemon herb salmon and asparagus. Get your omega-3s in with this flavor-packed meal. It looks fancy but takes almost zero effort. Roast the asparagus for 10 minutes, add the salmon and lemon slices, and roast for another 10 to 12 minutes. Done. Number 5 is the one skillet Philly cheesesteak. Get all the gooey, cheesy, savory flavors of a classic Philly cheesesteak, but without the carb-heavy bun. You won't even miss the bread. Just cook up some sirloin steak, onions, peppers, and mushrooms, then top it all with melted provolone cheese. Don't sleep on cabbage. It's a low-carb superfood, paired with savory kielbasa. This one skillet fried cabbage with kielbasa is pure comfort food. Just brown the kielbasa, add chopped cabbage and onions, and cook until tender. Simple, cheap, and delicious. Need a meal prep hack? The sheet pan chicken and veggies is your answer. This versatile dish lets you use whatever low-carb veggies you have in the fridge. Toss chicken thighs, broccoli, zucchini, and bell peppers with olive oil and spices, then roast for 25 to 30 minutes. Taco Tuesday just got an upgrade with our one-pot taco skillet. Serve this quick and easy skillet with lettuce wraps or just eat it straight out of the pan. Brown some ground beef with onions and peppers, stir in diced tomatoes and taco spices, simmer and top with cheddar cheese. Transport yourself to the Mediterranean with the sheet pan Greek chicken and veggies. This flavorful, healthy meal is packed with feta, olives, and fresh veggies. Toss chicken, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and red onions with olive oil and oregano, roast and sprinkle with feta cheese. Number 10 is a low-carb, gluten-free twist on a classic Italian favorite. One skillet shrimp scampi with zucchini noodles. Zoodles are the perfect vehicle for this buttery, garlicky sauce. Cook the shrimp in garlic butter, add white wine and lemon, toss in the zoodles, and you're ready to eat. Pork chops are an amazing source of protein. This sheet pan pork chops with green beans and cauliflower is a simple, satisfying meal perfect for a busy weeknight. Roast the veggies first, then add the seasoned pork chops and finish roasting. Cozy up with the one-pot creamy mushroom and spinach chicken. The creamy Parmesan sauce is absolutely to die for. Brown the chicken, sauté mushrooms and garlic, make a rich cream sauce, and wilt in some fresh spinach. It's pure comfort in a pan. Want sizzling fajitas without the mess? Try these sheet pan steak fajitas. Serve these up in lettuce wraps for the ultimate low-carb Mexican feast. Toss sliced flank steak, bell peppers, and onions with fajita seasoning and roast for 15 to 20 minutes. Breakfast for dinner? Yes, please. This one skillet breakfast hash with eggs uses cauliflower rice instead of potatoes to keep the carbs low. Cook up some breakfast sausage and veggies, stir in the cauliflower rice, make wells for the eggs, and cook until set. End the week on a light, healthy note with sheet pan cod with roasted veggies. Cod is a lean, flaky fish that pairs perfectly with roasted broccoli and tomatoes. Roast the veggies, add the cod and lemon, and bake until the fish flakes easily. A low-carb diet doesn't have to be restrictive, boring, or time-consuming. With these 15 one-pan recipes, you can enjoy delicious, satisfying meals with minimal cleanup. Hit that like button if you're going to try one of these recipes tonight, and subscribe for more easy, fat-melting meal ideas. Let me know in the comments which recipe is your favorite.